Looking for strength and protection? The Neu Repair collection is designed for damaged and fragile hair that needs fortification, strength, and protection for healthy, shiny results. Each Neu Repair formula includes a curated blend of plant collagen to strengthen hair and reduce breakage, and sea kelp for essential nourishments while smoothing the hair. First step is Neu Repair Shampoo, an ultra-reparative formula that fortifies and protects strands, helping to reduce breakage. A little goes a long way with this ultra-concentrated sulfate-free formula that provides an incredible lather that quickly rinses clean. Next, Neu Repair Conditioner detangles and revitalizes from the inside out. Its ultra-reparative formula adds strength and nourishment for smoother, stronger, and shinier results. For an extra boost of repair, reach for Neu Repair Masque. This weekly intensive treatment delivers an infusion of nourishment for ultimate damage control. It provides a protective barrier from heat styling and environmental damage, leaving hair with added luster and glossy shine. To shield against damage, try Neu Repair Leave-In treatment. This nourishing treatment seals the hair's cuticle, preventing moisture loss, leaving hair smoother, stronger, and shinier while protecting against heat styling and environmental damage. At Neuma, we don't believe in hiding behind synthetic fragrances. Instead, we use pure essential oils and extracts to allow our aromas to bloom. For Neu Repair, lemon, lavender, and fir needle deliver an ultra-refreshing self-care routine that uplifts the senses. Expect performance without ever sacrificing your hair, your health, or the planet. What does your shampoo do for the planet?